Good morning, all respected teachers. Myself Vikas Vilas Dhere from Sri Yashwantara Patil Science College, Solanpur. I am going to present in vitro micropropagation of agarwood. I select this topic because agarwood refers as resinous heartwood, which turns aromatic and highly valuable as a result of infection by a few endophytic fungi. Besides this, agarwood is an endangered species, and we can do regeneration of this species through tissue culture, and it is profitable because it has great demand in international market. Outline of my research work: in vitro micropropagation of Aquileia malacensis lam. Content as follows: Introduction, biological classification, botanical name Aquileia malacensis lam, species Aquileia malacensis, family Thamelaceae, kingdom Plantae, origin Northeast India. Agarwood is also known as eaglewood. It is used for extraction of essential oil, shampoos and soaps. Due to its religious use, it is also known as wood of the gods. Need of research: agarwood has widely used as a therapeutic perfumes, traditional medicine, religious purpose and aromatic food ingredient. This species has become critically endangered and has to be conserved as follows. This is a graph of world export of essential oil. Source of this graph is ITC trade map. Objective: to standardize surface sterilization procedure for explant of Aquileia malacensis lam. And second objective is to standardize the direct in utero regeneration of explant. Review of literature of research work as follows. Planning of experiment as follows. Material and methodology. Material: instrument, atomic level, laminar flow, weaving balance, page meter, magnetic stirrer, annealing glassware, beaker, conical flask, culture bottle, culture tube, test tube, measuring cylinder, forceps and scalpel. Chemical: 20 70% ethanol, sodium hypochlorite, 2,4-D, kinetin, BAP. Media composition: Moroccan cook, आकार 8 gram per liter, pH 5.6 to 5.8, sucrose 30 gram per liter. Media used for shoot generation. Combination: MS plus BAP 2 gram per liter, MS plus BAP 3 gram per liter, and third combination is MS plus BAP 4 gram per liter. Media used for root generation. First, MS plus kinetin 1 mg per liter. Second, MS plus kinetin 2 mg per liter. And third combination is MS plus kinetin 3 mg per liter. Methodology: explant sterilize protocol. First, few drop of 20 for 5 minutes. Then 3 to 4 times distilled water. Then explant treated with 70% ethanol for 3 minutes. Then sodium hypochlorite solution for 5 minutes. Then finally washed with sterile distilled water for 3 to 4 times to remove the traces of chemical. Then explant was placed on MS medium, supplemented with different concentration, and then all culture incubated at 25 degrees centigrade in dark condition. Expected result: treatment 2 is the most effective, which contain various concentration of sterilizing agent and give 75% of survival explant. Expected result of shoot generation: MS plus BAP 3 gram per liter give best result. Expected result of root generation: MS plus kinetin 2 mg per liter give best result. References as follows, and thank you.